Hello and welcome back to Terraria. Alrighty, uh, I think we might be able to beat the first boss today, which would be nice. Uh, Wait a minute, what did I name the world? Here we go, never mind. Hell yeah. Alright, so, again, plan on taking down King Slime today. That would be very epic. I also need to clean this out. Uh, Does mean that I should probably put a chair down. I need wood. Okay, what did I even do last time? Just explored the world, got a cool weapon. We did alright. We did alright. Plan on taking down King Slime though, cause that would be nice. Might be a next episode thing. Who knows? Glad I was able to get right into this, like off the bat. Last time we had to wait for the world to make itself and stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be nice. Hopefully something like eventful-ish happens. If we get a random slime rain, that's just easy King Slime kill. Yeah, also last time I noticed that I said range when I was going into this. I meant mage. Uh, like when I was like, oh, we're gonna play range because no one can deflect the Emerald Splash. No, I meant mage. I'm gonna be a funky magic man. It's gonna be real epic. Oh damn. Alright, well, I have a good pickaxe now. It's a real pickaxe. Let's go. Alright, and then oh yeah, that's right. I was making the house. That's what I was doing. It's making it so an idiot could move in. So what's the middle of this house? Like right here? Or is it right there? It's about like in between those two. Alright, and then I am gonna need to make some more houses so that people can actually move in. And then I can like start selling stuff and actually getting into the game. Also, someone in the Discord said to make Burger King in Terraria, and I want to do that, so I'm gonna make Burger King in Terraria eventually. Cause that's pretty poggers. Burger King in Terraria? What? How is that possible? I am winning right now. Make little crap houses. At the moment, until I can construct the absolute unit that is going to be the Burger King house. It's going to be real neat. You want to see some real speed? I should probably make a better axe. Godly. Nice. No extra speed. I think base power would matter more, so that's fine. And yeah, I'm gonna place this down for extra mana regen, so I can use the funky monkey right here. Cause this thing is like, the sword is great and all, but magic is OP, right? The sword, if I'm using projectiles with the sword, like that's 1 a second compared to that. That's like 2 a second. So overall higher DPS on the epic magic weapon, I think. Man, I really left myself with a doo-doo inventory. But hey, it's fine. So I got this entire time to fix it. After this, I'm probably gonna go underground and look for a ruby, so that I can fight the King Slime. Cause you can get decent gear from King Slime, mainly just the armor set that he can drop, but like a mount is also available. I think these are suitable houses. Yep, alright, I can have 2 idiots moving. Hell yeah. As long as it's someone I can sell stuff to, I'm fine with that. Did I get any, like, decent potions that I can use? Oh yeah, I should probably fill these 2 bits in, right? Yeah. Mining should be less of a tedious process now though, which is nice. Cause better pickaxe go burr. Let's go. Get away from my merchant. Sword moment. Alright, come here so I can sell things. Boom, boom. I'm gonna clear out most of the things in my inventory unless it's like I actually need it. Don't need that. I don't need the flare gun. Need the fallen stars, don't need the sand, don't need the mushrooms. I have actual potions now. I don't need to crunch on some shroomers. Right, oh wait. No, I have, what's down here? Death? That's what it looks, oh wait, no, there's water. Alright. I've got no blocks, I can just drain this. I like how the grasshoppers just evaporate whenever they get hit by water. They're like, ah! And implode. The nurse is nice. Just because, you know, I can heal during boss fights. The thing almost hayad the crap out of me. Shot through the heart. Alright, where was I last time? Oh wait, no, I think I came down here, realized that it was a dead end, and then skedaddled. Alright. I think I'm gonna dig down, like, there's water. Ah, that's fine. Oh wait, there's a life crystal. Hell yeah. I probably should have bought the miner's hat before coming down here. You know, I'm gonna buy the miner's hat. Because the miner's hat is nice. And also, big life right now. How much is this thing? 4 gold. It gives 1 defense. This basically means I don't have to use torches. It also makes me look hideous. Wait a minute. I don't know if I can fall down here. Don't worry. Pro gamer strats right here. Boom. Big brain. Time to do a heckin' kill now. Shot through the hive. And also, I saw a marble biome. Is that marble mixed with a mushroom biome? I think it is. That's really cool. I'm also probably gonna die here. Oh wait, there's a boulder right there. I almost didn't see that. Usually there's decent stuff because of all the flat ground. Usually there's a life crystal or two in these. Yeah, there we go. I want better accessories as well. Oh wait, I don't need to. Oh, I got blindness. Oh, that's annoying. Is there anything down here? Not that I'm seeing. Alright. I'm heading into the mushroom biome. Yeah, no. Alright, we have goals now. Like, I gotta build Burger King. Is that a gem cave? I think that's a gem cave. Bro. Alright, last time we had garbage world gen. Yo, there's a rubies in here, let's go. Alright, we can fight King Slime. Sick. You'll love to see it. Do I have... I'm gonna eat that, but... Okay, we don't have Spelunker Potion, which is a little sad. But hey, rubies. So now I can actually fight the large idiot. There's so much stuff in here. Holy crap. I'm gonna yoink this cave. Like this entire pit of gems is now mine. Unless that idiot decides to come down here. He came down here! No! No! Why are they so strong? It makes no sense. Holy crap. I am getting massacred. Why do hoplites do 114 damage? Actually, no, I think he was doing 80, but still. What do you mean? Actually, wait a minute. I can fight King Slime now. Sick. Okay. I need to get to a demon altar. Actually, I think... Which one's closer? I think this one's closer, but I also have to go through the desert. So that's not cool. Considering I have literally no movement accessories. Like, I can kill things now. With relative ease. It's probably good for me to be out here at night anyway, because I do need to get, falling stars. So that I can make... mana crystals. So I can use my water bolt and stuff more. Also, not a sandstorm, surprisingly. Shot through the high. Alright, I think when I came through here the first time, yeah, there's rope down here. This looks abysmal, by the way. That is bad. I almost also got hit off my rope. Which would have also been bad. All these idiots are gonna jump into the pit. You fools. Killing these guys for lenses is probably also a good idea. Because then I can fight another boss. And I have 4 lenses. I saw a a movie trailer yesterday, right? And basically, it's like a new movie with Nicolas Cage, and it's just like a rip-off FNAF, and he like has to go in and kill all the animatronics or whatever. And I was like, oh, that's pretty funny. I want to see Nicolas Cage kill off-brand animatronics. And there's more fallen stars here, which is good. I had a lot going on today. I had to write an essay, which sucked. It was about like a deep sea marine creatures. God. Alright, well, where is it, bruh? And a star fell as well. Alright, we're not going that way, because the desert sucks. I got extra mana now. Or mana, whatever you want to call it. Die, rabbit. Also, another thing I noticed while I was like going through the recordings is that my audio is delayed by like half a second. So if some of these things seem like off a little bit, like for the audio, it's just because of the website I'm using. So yeah, there's the tree that killed us last time back there. That sucked. Worst tree ever. I am now anti-teamtrees.org. What the hell? Another fallen star. That's good. Potential for more mana. Some more strange plants that I can trade to the dye trader for dye. There's a heckin' zombie right here. More demonized. Actually, I think I got enough to make the boss summoner for the big eyeball, but I do want better accessories before I go into that. Can I make... Nope. Alright, well, looks like we're going through here. Oh wait! I forgot I had the water walking boots. I can just walk across those. Hell yeah. Alright, we're almost at the Crimson Cave. It's right up here. Alright, we're in, lads. I just have to not get obliterated. The creatures down here are powerful. Hopefully I'll be fine though. Also, another thing, in 1.4 they changed like how the water bolt spawns, so you can't get it at like the entrance of the dungeon anymore, which sucks. Because it's like a really good magic weapon. Like, if you're lucky, you can get it like early on. Honestly, I think they should have kept it, personally. Because, like, it was like all dependent on luck, whether you got it or not. Also, this kind of sucks. Getting swarmed right now. Drop down. Alright, there's a demon altar. And I can make 2 boss summoners. So, Slimey Crown and the Eye of Cthulhu. With a suspicious looking eye. If I had bombs, I would stay. Actually, I'm gonna look for an exposed heart to see if I can get gun. Alright, yeah, no. I'm out of here. Alright. What can I make? Literally nothing. Bruh. Actually, I should probably set up my quote-unquote arena for the King Slime fight. I'll do it away from all my idiots. Do it right here. Yes, very away from all the NPCs that I can see right now. Yes, very. Alright, this is probably enough. I don't want him to like teleport up here or anything, so. I don't know. Put like torches around and whatnot. You know what, maybe I'll build this up just a little higher. Just in case he decides to like supreme gaming me. Death to all the tiny creatures. You shall perish. Yeah, once it turns daytime, I'm gonna fight King Slime. But then I could like set up a fishing area. That would be somewhat ideal. It would also be nice if I could get like one more fallen star. There's a lot of fireflies here. Get one. Yes, okay, there we go. Yoink. Alright. Now I have a little extra mana for this fight, which is good. So I can use my water bolt a little more. Okay, another thing, I'm not close enough to get the buff of this star in a bottle. I'm also wondering like where I can place this. I think I don't have any blocks. I'll bust down like a bit of this tree. Alright, now I believe I'm just able to build off with the rope. Yeah, alright. Sick. Actually, I'm not sure if you can teleport like up to this like one block thing right here. You also might be able to jump off it. I'll be fine. I'm still gonna get rid of it, I don't care. Alright, Fat Slime, where's he at? There he is! No! Okay. Okay, epic maneuver. Big brain. Let him kill the NPCs. Alright, this should be high enough. I'll let him do his big epic power jump. Alright, this is good enough. Alright, and the boss fight begins. This isn't really much of a boss fight, I'm basically just cheesing him because he's fat. Little fat man. Again, not too much of a hard fight. The Eye of Cthulhu is a way harder fight than this. But yeah, this is basically just to get like some better armor and stuff. Hoping for the legs and the chest piece, because he only drops 2 things, like 2 bits of the armor every time you kill him. Which is, you know, it's not the most ideal thing. Like, I would have preferred it if he dropped, like, like, the entire set of the ninja gear. Because he does have the entire ninja inside of him. But hey, if we get the mount, that would be epic. You or die. Trying to get, like, again, I guess if I go underground and find Tim, I can kill him and get his hat, and then make like a robe, and get like a bunch more mana. Water bolt is OP, big damage. Alright, he's getting there. He's nearly dead. I don't actually know how much health this absolute chonker has. 223 health. So one more spray with the water bolt might kill. Nope, okay. Oh, I'm gonna go down there and finish him. This was a mistake. Oh my god, there's so many spikes. Damn it. Alright, well, I'm gonna go run over and grab the stuff. Another thing, we don't respawn inside of the house, which is kind of a bruh, but it's fine. Let's see what we got. We got, okay, the shirt and the helmet. So I am gonna have to, no, I'll keep the helmet on me. But, no. This is a decent accessory if, like, you have nothing else. Basically, slimes can't hurt me anymore. So that's nice. Maybe I'll mess around with the solidifier. I don't know. Gonna heckin' kill some idiots though. Alright. Now I need better accessories now. So I can fight the big man himself. Big eyeball. I'm gonna make some platforms so I can actually go down here without taking fall damage. No! Oh my god. Okay, we're fine. No, it happened again! Bruh. What is this? Why me? Alright. Guess I'm just gonna go back through it again. This time with slightly more platforms. I've got no strings to hold me down. Why? What do you mean? That wasn't even that far of a drop. Alright, we're going down there again! Because I keep dying. Dying is the only thing that I do. I'm also gonna put my star in a bottle back on the house. Epic gamer moment. There's a pond right there, so I could use that for fishing, but I'm not 100% sure if that's big enough for fishing. Alright, cool. We're back in it. Gonna head down here. We did get destroyed by a hoplite last time I came down here, so I'm gonna look out for those. So that's a very dead skeleton. Also, we have a grappling hook now because of King Slime. So I can actually sit and like mine things. I think that's everything in that cave except for that emerald, but emeralds are pretty useless. So I'm gonna leave it there. There's also a lot of cave beds in here that need to die for me. And I'm confused. Great. I see you there, Mr. Dart Trip. Oh my god, there was a second one on... Bruh. Alright, I'm gonna have to disarm that. Hopefully I don't die to poison. I shouldn't. I might though. So I'm not gonna jinx myself just yet. Especially with all these random like effects from the bat's feral bite thing. Alright, he is dead. And of course I got blindness. That hoplite might be a problem. I'm gonna epic parkour. Alright, I guess I'll see that, and I got slowness as well. Okay, that's good. Put some rope down so I can snag this. I don't know how I've not found like decent accessories yet. I got all the other things, but I'm missing the accessories. Usually it's the other way around. That place where the blink root is doesn't look like there's much over there, so I'm gonna start digging down again. Maybe I'll find something epic. I'll equip this for light while I'm mining. Other than that though, might find something, not sure, but I'm not gonna fight Big Eyeball until I get Hermes boots and Cloud in a bottle. Also, there are people dropping on top of me from above. What's up with that? How close am I to... Okay, I'm not even halfway there yet. That's where all the good magic weapons are. Down in HE double hell. And I'm rolling down. was loud. My ears just got blasted with new Java update available noise. It was like da-da-da-da. Why is there mud here? Anything over here? Where does this lead? I forgot that these idiots can throw their bones. And there appears to be literally nothing here. Let me see. What is this? Okay, never mind. That's cool. I'll take a diamond. I think it's 8 diamonds for a staff. But it might be more worth it to make the cloak instead. Or the rope. For like a bunch of extra mana and stuff. Also gonna need to get attacked by Tim right about now. I don't think you're gonna get attacked by Tim until... Is this another gem cave? Bruh. Doesn't look like it's a decent one though, there's only like... Oh, hi there! You're scary. Please get out of here. Thanks. Alright, he's dead. Anyways, like I was saying, this gem cave doesn't look like it's anything too special because there's only emeralds and amethyst in here, which are like the 2 worst ones. But I can still make some stuff out of this. Like a robe. Hello, Mr. Mouse. How are you today? Man came out of nowhere. I require your gems. I have enough rupees. Rope, oil, bombs. Anything for you, my friend. You got enough rupees. Lots of gems, though. This is nice. Bro, nobody can deflect the emerald splash. Epic joke, epic joke, epic joke. Alright. Oh my god. Give me the gems. I have so many gems now. Did I get rid of my cobwebs? No, I didn't. Good. Very good. Which means I can make a decent bit of armor now. That's just silver. And the only thing I'm really hoping for is like a decent bit of armor. Also, I think I figured out where all the granite boys are coming from. I almost died there. There was cobweb to save me though. Yes. All good. Sometimes there's houses in these. Oh! Let's go. Bruh. That's it. Floor door. And there's a loom here. Let's hit it. I'm gonna turn all this into silk. Then a robe. And now I can make a decent robe. Hell yeah. Look at all that extra mana. We haven't even gotten to the real bit. And it's not bad, but it's not what I was looking for. You know what? I should have picked a corruption world so that I could get a mana regen band or whatever it's called. I don't know if there's another way to get one of those. Like the Band of Star Power, that's what it's called. I don't know if there's like a way to get those outside of it, so I might just like make a corruption world. So that... Oh no, my god, Jesus. Get me out of here. The boulder! Please save me. Okay, you know what? He's too stupid to come through here, so I'm gonna dig away. You fools! You can't fit through 2-block wide gaps, I don't think. I'm probably safe. Never mind! They're coming towards me. I'm gonna do a heckin' die in a moment here. There's a cave bat right here. Why? Alright, this is where this Pogger weapon shines, though. In small corridors where it can massacre everything as it will hit it. Yo, another house, let's go. How do I get down here without dying? That's a good question. By the power of rope. You can do anything with rope. No! I'm stupid! Why'd I do that? Am I gonna burn to death? Nah, I'm not gonna burn to death. I'll be fine. I don't know if this is enough to make it over there, so I'm gonna make another rope. That should be good. Jump. Alright. Cloud in a bottle or Hermes boots, please. No! We got bullied! I'll take the Spelunker potions though. Those might actually get us what we're looking for. I'll also take the dynamite. That's still like, bruh. Why would the game do this to us? To be fair, I've been getting better than average luck lately, so I'm not gonna complain too much. Alright, epic grappling hook technique. It's sick. Also, I saw a heart crystal there. I'm gonna prep that one. Perish. Why? Alright, 220 health, which means the fat man, aka Mr. Eyeball, big, the large, yes, alright, words, can naturally spawn. No! Alright. Alright, game. Why would you do this to me? I got bullied. I got hit by a dart trap and then went right in the lava. Are you serious? I'm fine. Alright, I think that's all the time I have for today. And to that I say, goodbye.